This tall baby and pet gate is easy to install, requires no tools. It has a secure locking mechanism that's easy for adults to use, but difficult for children and impossible for pets to use. You can put this in a doorway, a hallway, or any opening that you want to block off and keep a child or your pets in the area where they're supposed to be. These can adjust to different size openings, but there are several products available with minimum and maximum reach capacity. So be sure to measure your opening and then pick the appropriate product. I'll show you how easy it is to install and use this. I did keep this warning on because you need to keep this on while you're installing it. Once you've done installing it, you can take a scissors and cut that piece off. Here's the hardware that comes with the item. Again, it requires no tools to install.
This is optional. It's a easy way to install it because it keeps the gate upright and it protects the floor from getting scratched. You don't need to use that, but you can. Simply slide these in, position the gate, and then spin the 4 plastic ring tighteners. That's all there is. Remove this once done. You can get in and out with ease. There's a puppy in the background. Where are they? Can they get out? She's trying. She can't get out. Give it a test. Nope. Maybe test the other side. Nope.